Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechGate. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe it now. In this video, you will get to know about the different types of web developers, their skills and their salaries. There are mainly three types of web developers: a front-end developer, a back-end developer, and a full-stack developer. Let's know about front-end developer first. A front-end developer is a professional responsible for the design and implementation of the interface used by the users. The programming languages that a front-end developer should know are HTML and CSS. HTML is used to structure the content on the web page, whereas CSS is used to add style to the content of a web page. The third language that he or she should know is JavaScript. JavaScript is a must-learn language for any web developer. JavaScript makes web pages more interactive. So now, after getting familiar with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, the web developer should learn any one framework. So what is a framework? It is a set of resources and tools for software developers to build and manage web applications, web services and websites. React and Angular are two popular frameworks. You can learn either of them. These both frameworks are in demand. The next thing, and the most important thing, is that you should learn about Git and GitHub. Git is a version control system used to track changes to our code, whereas GitHub is a cloud-based hosting service that lets you manage Git repositories. As a successful front-end developer, you can easily earn $76,000 per annum. The second type of web developer is a backend developer. A backend developer should be familiar with these languages. He should learn either Python or JavaScript. After learning Python or JavaScript, you should learn any backend frameworks. If you learn Python, then learn about Django framework, or else, if you have learned JavaScript, learn about Node.JS and Express.Js. Node.js, Express.js, and Django are all backend frameworks. After learning about frameworks, you should learn either about relational database or non-relational database. Relational databases are those databases where data is stored in the form of tables. Therefore, it's in proper format. MySQL is an example of a relational database. Whereas in non-relational database, data is not stored in the proper format. An example of a non-relational database is MongoDB, popularly known as a NoSQL database language. This list of back-end developer skills would be incomplete without three fundamental programming languages: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. While these languages are more often used on the front end, they are still valuable skills for back-end developers. The last and the most important one you need to know is about Git and GitHub. As I mentioned earlier, Git is a version control system used to track changes to our code, whereas GitHub is a cloud-based hosting service that lets you manage Git repositories. The salary of a back-end developer is nearly the same as that of a front-end developer. A back-end developer earns an average salary of $75,000 per annum. The third type of web developer is a full-stack developer. A full-stack developer is responsible for maintaining both front-end as well as back-end of a web application. So that means he should know both the front-end programming languages as well as back-end programming languages. Now you may be thinking that the salary of a full-stack developer will be more than that of a front-end developer or a back-end developer. That's not the case. A specialized front-end developer or a specialized back-end developer earns more than a full-stack developer. The average salary of a full-stack developer is $75,000 per annum. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, plan your future, and good luck. Let me know in the comment section below which type of web developer would you like to be. If you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel.